In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create interactive like button in Figma. This is a fundamental skill for anyone designing user interfaces, allowing you to bring your static designs to life with engaging micro-interactions. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it easy to follow along and apply to your own projects. To begin, we need to set up our canvas in Figma by adding a couple of frames. Think of frames as individual screens or states of your design. For our interactive like button, we'll need two distinct states, one for the unliked or default appearance, and another for the liked or active appearance. You can easily add a frame by pressing the F key on your keyboard, or by selecting the Frame tool from the toolbar. Once you have your first frame, simply duplicate it, perhaps by holding Alt or Option and dragging, or by right-clicking and choosing Duplicate. This gives us two identical frames to start with. It's helpful to rename these frames in the Layers panel, perhaps to something like button unliked and like button liked, to keep our workspace organized as we progress. Next, let's bring in our visual element, the like icon itself. Figma's plugin ecosystem is incredibly powerful for extending its capabilities. We'll utilize a popular plugin called Icons 8 to quickly access a wide variety of icons. To do this, right-click anywhere on your canvas, hover over Plugins, and then click on Icons 8. If you don't have it installed, you might need to search for it first in the Find Plugins option. Once the Icons 8 plugin window appears, use the search bar to look for a like icon. You'll likely find various styles, such as an outline heart and a filled heart. Insert the outline version into your unliked frame and the filled version into your liked frame. Make sure they are roughly in the same position within their respective frames for a smooth transition later. You can also adjust their size and color to match your design aesthetic within Figma's Properties panel. For instance, you might want the unliked heart to be a subtle gray and the liked heart to be a vibrant red or blue. Finally, it's time to add the interactivity using Figma's prototyping features, and then preview our creation. Switch over to the Prototype tab in the right-hand sidebar. Now, select the Outline Like icon within your unliked frame. You'll see a small circle appear on its right side. Click and drag this circle to connect it to your liked frame. When you release, an Interaction Details panel will pop up. For the trigger, select On-Click. For the action, choose Navigate to, and ensure Like button, Liked, is selected. Crucially, for the animation, select Smart Animate. This will create a smooth, delightful transition between the two icon states. Now to complete the interaction, go to your liked frame, select the filled like icon, and drag a connection back to the unliked frame. Again, set the trigger to On-Click, and choose Smart Animate for the animation. With these connections established, click the play icon in the top right corner of Figma to open the prototype in presentation view. Here, you can click on your like button to see the interactive magic happen. Test both clicks to ensure it switches between the unliked and liked states smoothly. And there you have it, a fully interactive like button.